Hey guys, Morgan, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for these red cream cheese stuffed cake mix cookies. The recipe, as always, will be linked in the description box down below. It is on blog. So I am starting off with a box of red velvet cake mix. The Duncan Hines brand is vegan, but I'm sure a lot of other brands just have ingredients. So I'm adding that to a bowl, and I'm adding some baking powder, some applesauce, some vanilla extract, and 2 flax eggs. And then you just want to mix all of that together. It's going to be really thick because you're going to end up with a kind of just a sticky kind of cookie dough. So you just want to put that in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so that it firms up before you make your little dough balls for your cookies. So this is going to make 12 cookies because you're going to need 2 scoops of dough for each cookie. So I'm just starting off by using about, I think this is maybe 2 tablespoons, I'm honestly not sure, but this is just like a little cookie dough scoop, and I am scooping out 12, and then I'm taking a little teaspoon and I'm using that to press indents into each of the cookies. You could have used your finger, but it is pretty sticky dough, so I recommend using something else. And then I am adding the cream cheese filling, and for that I'm actually just using cream cheese frosting. The Duncan Hines brand, again, is vegan, but actually a lot of cream cheese frostings are vegan, so you just want to read the ingredients. And if you want one with better ingredients, I would recommend the Miss Jones Baking Company cream cheese flavored frosting. I use that one a lot as well. So then I am just adding another scoop of cookie dough on top of each of the cookies to cover up our cream cheese filling. And then I am going to put that in the oven, and then when you take it out, you want to make sure that it cools completely on the pan before you take the cookies off, because they are going to be really soft. And then I tried to pipe designs on them, but the frosting bag I was using was not cooperating with me, so it ended up being really hard, so I kind of just gave up and spread the frosting on the cookies. But you definitely don't need to add more frosting onto. So yeah, and that is your completed recipe. These cookies came out so delicious and so moist. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.